In this short video, I'm going to show you how to access your online textbook. Once you log in to your Schoology account, but your favorite resources,
go to your course page or
anything,
simply just
click
click
up
the
at the
four
top
buttons up
But
here.
if you go down to
and
apps,
select
you will
Clever
find
SSO
Pearson
to
EasyBridge,
access
also
your online
says
textbook.
Pearson textbooks underneath it.
It will pop up a new
I
window,
have made it,
and you'll want to click
one of my
Login with
favorites.
Active Directory.
So if I uncheck that part,
And
from here you'll have all
no
kinds of
longer be
options
listed up
I'm
here in
you've
my
been to
favorites.
Clever SSO before, but if not, this is what it looks like. So I like to click the heart so that it's always up at the top. I don't have to scroll next time I come here to get into my online textbook. So anyway, that's a quick little hint. But in order to get to your online textbook, you have to click on this, Pearson Textbooks. Now this gets a little confusing because they haven't changed that button, but Pearson is now called Savvas. You see that here, S-A-V-V-A-S, Savvas EasyBridge. It's the same thing as Pearson Textbooks. It's just they have a new name for their company. I don't know why they changed it. But at any rate, from here, you'll see any classes that you have that have textbooks within the Savvas system. And since we're talking about biology, we're going to go to the Miller and Levine biology. And that will allow us to browse. It'll allow us to go to our classes or look at grades. Now, I don't use Savvas. I don't assign assignments in Savvas that would be graded, so there won't be any grades for you to look at. And I usually don't even assign stuff in here because it just seems to confuse students. So all you really need to do is go to browse. You can click either the browse button or click right on the textbook cover, and that'll take you into the online textbook. From here, you can see that each of the units and then the chapters within each unit are available here. You just keep scrolling until you find the chapter that you need for the reading that you've been assigned. Let's say that you were assigned something from chapter 11. And let's say it's the process of cell division, which is the second portion, second section of chapter 11. So you would go to the eText, the process of cell division, and it will load the online textbook for that section. And from here, you can read through. You can click on images, and they'll give you a larger version of that image so you can see it up close. And it also has vocabulary terms, and if you click on them, it will give you the definition of that term. You can also click the play button to view, or actually to hear the term said, so you know how to pronounce it. And also, if you are an audible learner, if you learn better by listening, you can click this play button up here at the very top, and it will read to you all of the content down below here. To get to the next page, you just click the next button down here in the corner, bottom right, and it takes you to the next page. The vocabulary words as they show up within your text are also clickable, so you can see the definition for those so that you can understand what they're trying to explain to you. Okay, now here is an interactive. You see that there's a button here that says launch, and above it says to explore this topic further, launch this interactivity. So we're going to go ahead and click launch, and then we'll click play. So it'll play a video for you sometimes. Sometimes it'll just be something you can go through and click on different things to see explanations. In this case, it's just a video. And then let's say you wanted to highlight some information in the reading because you feel like it's important. If you highlight some content, so let's say a structure known as the cell plate forms halfway between the divided nuclei. When I highlight that, it gives me an option. I can circle it, I can underline it, circle it, I can highlight it, with a color of my choosing, and I can make a note. This is important. So you can't do all three. You can either highlight, circle, or underline. So depending on which you pick, that's what it's going to do. If you choose a different one, it's going to switch to that other one. So whichever one has the little check mark is the one that it's going to be. So you can change the color of your outline or underline. You can change the color of your circle, or you can change the color of your highlight. Click Save, and it saves it for you. And it shows you that you have a little note here. So you can click on it, and it'll tell you what the note is. I hope you found this helpful. If you do have any other questions, please reach out and contact me and let me know what those questions are. Thank you so much. Have a great day.